Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to record streaming services in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once you have OBS running, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where you'll add the capture source that allows OBS to record your streaming content. In the Sources section, click the plus icon to bring up a menu of different capture options. From this menu, select Display Capture. This option is crucial because it allows OBS to capture everything that appears on your selected monitor, which is exactly what you need for recording streaming services. A new window will pop up asking you to name your display capture source. Go ahead and enter a descriptive name. For example, you can type streaming services. This helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to use multiple sources in OBS. Once you've entered your name, click OK to proceed. Next, you'll see another window appear with display settings. Look for the option labeled Display, and right beside it, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select your preferred display from the list that appears. This ensures OBS captures the correct monitor if you're using multiple screens. After selecting your display, click OK to confirm your choice. Now, here's an important step to ensure your streaming services actually show up in your recording. Open your web browser. For this example, we'll use Google Chrome. In the upper right corner of Chrome, click on the three dotted lines icon to open the browser menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access Chrome's configuration options. Once you're in the Settings page, navigate to the left panel and click on System. This section contains important technical settings that affect how Chrome handles media playback and screen capture. In the System settings, look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Click on this toggle to turn the feature on. This step is absolutely essential because without graphics acceleration enabled, streaming platforms like Netflix and Disney Plus will appear as a black screen in your OBS recording due to copyright protection measures. After toggling this setting on, click the relaunch button that appears. This will restart Chrome and apply the new settings immediately. And that's it. You can now start streaming your Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, or any other streaming service you want, and OBS will capture it without any black screen issues. Your recordings will now show the actual content instead of being blocked. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.